welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video. Me and Skylar are doing a big spring cleaning type video. So our house, when we bought it about 2.5 years ago, the previous owner left a lot of junk in our backyard and in the shed, and some just gross things that we want to get rid of. So we ordered one of those giant dumpsters so we could clean it out. Last year my dad helped us and brought a whole bunch of stuff to the dump, but there's still a crap ton of stuff that we are going to get rid of. So we will see you in a little bit. So we're currently at U-Haul getting a rentable dolly, just since we have some bigger stuff that we want to get rid of. We need like a pretty big one. Luckily, we called ahead and it's cheap. They're open, especially during this quarantine time, so we're a little bit worried about that, and Skylar's in there getting that right now while I am in the car recording this. So it's really bright out here, but we are getting rid of this, all this. We have all this stuff, and clean up everything in here we don't need. It's all kind of just thrown in here. So we gotta clean and organize all that so it makes sense. Preferably all the yard and tool stuff in our other shed over here, and then eventually turn this into a cute little area. And then we have like a whole bunch of stuff over here. And then there's a whole bunch of stuff over here we already got rid of. We're still working on some of the pieces. And day one of stuff. We still got that, but I'm not strong enough to help with that. So we got a whole bunch of stuff in this shed cleaned out. So we have all that shelf space now. We got all our chemicals up here, our paint stuff down here, and then we got some random like concrete patio paver stuff there. So I'm gonna push that back there. There's Link. And then back here, there's all yard stuff. I think Skylar just locked it up for the day. We're going to do a whole bunch more tomorrow. So we have that organized. I want to eventually put everything in there, like all the paint and all that. And then we got all the old cushions down. So tomorrow what we're going to be doing is get rid of all that. This table, we have that big, come back over here. There's a light change. We got this big thing right here that we're gonna get rid of. And we have some stuff downstairs too, so I'll show you that. Link! Here's the cute boys. Link! Hey! Hey, Curve! Hey! And this is all a disaster, so we need a push broom or something. Get that all cleaned up. But down here, got that giant shelf out. And then we're gonna get rid of that fireplace tomorrow. And clean up more some of that paint stuff, so that way we can paint this area. There's this like giant thing coming out of the wall. It's from a breaker. So we need to find a piece of like art, like a canvas piece, so we can cover it or something. So we discovered that while we were taking out the shelf that was blocking it. But yeah, that is pretty much it for now. So I will see you guys again tomorrow. Actually forgot to mention, we are going to be cleaning up this space too. This is our spare bedroom. We have like donations, and then we have some stuff from the wedding just kind of all over when we replaced the toilet. wedding stuff, and there's a whole bunch of wedding stuff underneath the bed too. I actually tried selling all that stuff, but no one wants it, and I thought Utah would be a great place for selling stuff, but I guess not. So we'll be cleaning that up. We also have like a whole bunch of, we actually have a whole bunch of other stuff too. We have some like camping stuff stored in here, a whole bunch of blankets, stuff in the closet. So we have like my wedding dress and his suit from the wedding, some nice jackets, and then we have like suitcases, pet kennel, and all that. So we need to get rid of that or organize it better so that way it feels cleaner in here for guests. For real. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it's day 2. We have already started. I went to go drop off Link at the groomer, and Skylar's stepdad and mom came in and helped with the heavy stuff. So they got rid of the fridge, so now we need to clean up that area and figure out something to do there. This area is like completely clear now. And now me and Skylar are working on this. So it's time for me to start on this room. I'm gonna take the donations out and put in my car, and then take the trash out and put it in the dumpster. I am all done with everything now. It feels really good. I just showed you a clip of the dumpster is actually full. I wasn't expecting for us to actually fill it up, but we did. So we got a lot of stuff out. It does feel really nice to have some things cleaned and organized. Now we got actually clean everything, like sweep and mop and all that. So we're really excited that that's finally done after 2.5 years of owning this house. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you guys next week. Bye!